Hi, in this video you are gonna see the fourth, aka the second to last day of my challenge where I make a game every single day. Now this video is gonna be a really short one, so don't blink or you'll miss it. And that is because I kind of maybe failed the challenge. So basically I wanted to make 5 in a row or noughts and crosses or whatever you want to call it. There's like a billion names of it I found on the internet. And that is because there's this one friend of mine who I know watches my videos, so you know who you are, who always beats me in that game. And so I wanted to make an unbeatable AI so I could finally beat him. I don't really know why I thought I could make an AI in one day, but the embarrassing part is that I wasn't even able to make the game. I didn't even get to the AI before I gave up. It was just riddled with bugs and I couldn't fix it, and my spaghetti code didn't help at all. So I decided to give up, especially since I may or may not have finalized the video of that day on 11:30 p.m. So I still have to make that. So I gave up and decided to make a simple guessing game in just plain C#. I didn't even use Unity. It just generates a random number between 1 and 10 and you have to guess it. And literally nothing else happens. I don't really know if this counts as a game. I mean, I could ask Sather.
No, absolutely not. That is not a real game, dude.
So, yeah. 4 days of work has been for nothing. In the end, I failed the challenge. Not! Do you think I care about anyone's opinion? I make the rules. I may have let Zather choose the punishment for if I don't complete it, but that doesn't mean he can influence the rules. So yeah, this is my game for the fourth day. Anyways, bye.